It was New Year's Eve, the greeting of the first flight. Welcome to Sabah. It's Visit Malaysia 2020. Oh, we were eager to work hand in hand to make the year a great year ahead. But something was brewing in the news. A flu, a bat, and suddenly the notion of borders closing. PPE, mask up, social distancing. Wait, it's now physical distancing. Sanitize, don't forget to wash your hands. Stay home, stay safe. But we're all about go out, go explore. But we adhered, we had to. We see how it has impacted friends. We feel it too. We feel it because we grew together. We strived together to make the great of our destination. Changing directions, pivot to survive. Survive, strive, and come back we will.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed in Kota Kinabalu International Airport.
Sabah is waiting for you to bring you back to create and recreate new memories, to showcase our unique hospitality, to remind each of us of our precious wonders and adventures from mountain high to ocean deep. We'll see you soon. We know this. We hope for this.